Whether you call it Tuk Tuk or Tricycle, here is your Energy Tricycle. 100% electric, smart, practical and modern. Powered by a strong 60-volt 1200-watt motor, it runs quietly with zero pollution. The battery charges in just 6 to 8 hours and gives you up to 50 to 80 kilometers of driving on a full charge. The passenger can sit face to face, right? I think 3 passengers can sit in this side, and the 3 passengers can sit in this other side. Let's move to the driver's side. The driver is here and another passenger can sit next to the driver. The Energy Tricycle can carry 7 passengers plus the driver, making it perfect for both uses. For entrepreneurs, it is a trusty and affordable vehicle for transport business. For families, it is safe and comfortable way to travel together. And the factory also offers many other tricycle models built for different needs, from family rides to professional transport. If you want to order this kind of tricycle, do not worry, it's possible to ship it in your country.